education is one that is designed for positive evolution of the individual's personality and make them achieve their optimum potential in their life. While the question raises as, is this to do with only the students? Then it's a big no. An ideal education system or an institution should not only aim at optimizing the potential of the students, but also provide a wide range of opportunities for its educators to explore in their domain, where they exposed as not only effective teachers, but also act as a model of lifelong learners. I think GHRCians would agree to this concept of ideal education system that's quite often followed in GHRC. Good morning. This is Sindhu Panikar back again with yet another episode of GHRC News Desk. Headlines for the day. GHRC received the prestigious Leelavati Awards by AICTE in 2 categories. Team Bliss Care from GHRC secured second spot at the global finale of 2021 KPMG Ideation Challenge. IRO activity held on 2nd April 2021 at Department of Management Studies. Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav celebrated by GHRC and CVRGU under EBSB campaign. Now, the news in detail. An initiative of the Technical Education Regulator, All India Council for Technical Education, AICTE, Leelavati Award aims to recognize the efforts by AICTE approved institutions to treat women with equality and empowering womanhood in the nation. The AICTE's Leelavati Award is awarded to the institute for promoting and practicing the ideas of gender equality. 2 teams of GHRC Nagpur won 2 prestigious awards at the Leelavati Award ceremony, which was held at AICTE headquarters, Vasant Kunj, New Delhi, on 11th April 2021 from the hands of Education Minister, Government of India, Shri Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, Chairman AICTE Shri Anil Sahasrabudhe, and other dignitaries. 2 teams in the subcategory, that is Women Entrepreneurship and Self-Defense, to the second runner-up and awarded with a certificate and prize of Rs 50,000 each. The 2 Women Entrepreneurship, that is Atmanirbhar, was headed by Professor Swapna Chaudhary with the team members Dr. Atul Deshmukh, Professor Archana Rawat, Ms. Madhavi Chauhan, Ms. Bhargavi Kakrivar, and the team Self-Defense, that is Suraksha Chakra, was headed by Dr. Vibha Bhora with the team members Dr. Isha Kedikar, Professor Bhakti Patankar, Mr. Asim Khan, and Ms. Kanchan Devar. Under Women Entrepreneurship, the interventions that is carried out were establishment of GHRT BIF MSME Insights on Entrepreneurship, Bootcamp, Ignite 3.0 and Samadhan. Under self-defense, intervention taken were training programs for safety measures, child safety, workplace harassment, confidence building programs, and women security device. Based on the theme Women Empowerment, AICTE finalized the winners from a total of 456 entries who competed across 6 sub-themes, which includes women's health, self-defense, sanitization and hygiene, literacy, women entrepreneurship, and legal awareness. Participants uploaded photos and a short video for the interventions carried out. Both teams extended their thanks to Honorable Chairman Shri Sunilji Raisoni, Dr. Sachin Untwale, Director GHRC, and Dr. Santosh B. Jaju, Dean R&D, for constant support and motivation. The next news is about Team India, that's Team Bliss Care from GHRC, who secured second spot at the global finale of 2021 KPMG Ideation Challenge. The global finale of KPMG Ideation Challenge, that's KIC, was held on 12th to 13th of April 2021. In this championship for KPMG, Team India secured second spot. Team Bliss Care from GHRC Nagpur won the competition at national level previously and gained the prestigious title of Team India. Team Bliss Care, comprising of Mr. Chinmay Naik, Mr. Prabodh Mahajan, Ms. Nikita Kumari, have won several competitions at national level. Moving on to the IRO activity held on 2nd of April 2021 at Department of Management Studies. A finance domain specific webinar was conducted by the Department of Management Studies at GHRC Nagpur for the students of MBA. The topic was Emerging Roles of Finance Manager, scheduled on 2nd April 2021 at 4:30 p.m. The session was presided over by Professor Sanjeev Kumar, HOD, Management Studies, and the resource person for the webinar was Mr. Gopal Chandan, General Manager Finance, Landmark Group, Dubai, UAE. The program started with an operating remark delivered by Professor Noshin, Department of Management Studies, which was followed by the session by Mr. Chanda, who emphasized on the fact that finance manager is a key person as they are responsible for taking decisions which have both short-run and long-run impact on the financial health of an organization. Nowadays, finance managers spend less time producing financial reports and prefer to invest more time in conducting data analysis, planning and strategizing, and advising senior managers or top executives of the company. The event witnessed more than 100 students and faculty members across RGI who attended and appreciated the session. Finally, Dr. Jyoti Jagte from the department expressed her gratitude towards speaker and management for such an enriching sessions. She further thanked Director Dr. Sachin Untawale for providing opportunities and environment conducive for learning. Final news is on Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav celebrated by GHRC and CVRGU under EBSP campaign. The Ministry of Education is planned for celebration of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, and these celebrations will be started with the launch of Dandi Yatra by the Honorable Prime Minister on 12th of March 2021. And the duration of Dandi Yatra would be from 12th March to 5th of April on behalf of the campaign Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat Club of paired institution GHRC, MH and CV Raman University. Bhubaneswar and Odisha celebrated this Mahotsav through online mode on 12th March 2021. And in view of this pandemic situation of COVID-19, the program was held on online mode. The anchoring the program was done by Ms. Anisha Khaikar, GHRC. The program started with a song, Sare Jahan Se Acha, by playing piano by Mr. Atar Bhalerao, GHRC. Then Mr. Sajid Hussain given a speech on topic how precious our country is, and in this talk he explained all the specialities of India. In addition to this, Mr. Pradyum Shukla delivered speech on how should we maintain democracy. In this, he stated all the aspects of democracy and the role of individual to maintain the democracy. In all, 22 students and 2 professors had attended and enjoyed the song and speech Professor Mangesh Borkar and Dr. Kalinga Bhatt given the concluding remarks of the program. The vote of thanks was proposed by Ms. Anisha Khaikar. The program was well conducted by Professor Mangesh Borkar, EBSB Nodal Officer and NSS Officer, GHRC, under the guidance of Dr. Sachin Untawale, CEO RGI and Director GHRC, and OS Bihade, Executive Director RGI. That is all from us this week. Until we meet you next time, stay safe and stay updated with us. Bye-bye.